Hey everyone, sorry, I just got out of the shower. Got my package, so I ran downstairs and wanted to come get it. Um, Basically, I took a bit of a gamble. Um, so it's a lot of cards. I think it's a bit of all sports cards. Sorry if you hear my daughter in the background. She's in this online COVID school class. Anyway, I can't help but want to open this up. Like I'm dying. She closed the door. I'm excited about this. So, a little background. I got it online for, I think it was $81 plus I paid for shipping, which was another 11 and some change. So I decided, I know I'm getting in the way of the camera. I don't really know what I'm getting into here. I seen some of the cards and I figured, okay, it's worth it. It's worth the gamble. But yeah, so I'm basically invested for about $93, I guess, give or take. I don't know. It did say there were some autograph cards in here, and you know how I feel about autograph cards. So these are probably the good ones. I should save it for last. We have a box like this full of cards. Okay, so first thing you see is, this is Lou Dials. And it's kind of old. It's awesome. So that's the first thing I see. I probably don't have time to go through the whole thing with you guys, but I will try my best. So this is certified by Beckett. This is an autographed Bryce Ben, graded a 10. It's pretty awesome. I'm afraid to open this. They don't even have them packaged very well. Like I said, the person didn't look like they were professional per se at keeping cards, so I felt pretty confident. Alright, maybe they threw extras in. I don't know what's going on here at all. Alright, so we have an autograph, Zaza Pachula. It's in a hard case, which is a little bit more comforting. This is not really autographed, but I guess they felt like it was special. This is a Roy Holiday, which he's good. This one, Daniel Magenin, I don't know who that is. Front side looks awesome, but you can tell the corner and the back on this side is not good. From the front it looks great. Back it looks horrible. Kellen Kobaki autographed card. (1971) Doug Griffin and Bobby Montgomery. I don't know. I guess they felt like it was special. 1971. The card's in really poor condition, but that's alright. Wally Coleystein, the Warriors autographed card. Let's see. Jake Puslawit, autograph issue, authentic. Cool. So far, looking pretty good. This was a phone card at one time, obviously a prepaid phone card of Eric Zaire. His rookie card, a $2 phone card. I don't really know how I feel about that. Jerry Rice, Game Day 93 official NFL card from McDonald's. It's an oversized, I guess, very oversized card. But that's different. Don't know why they put these like this, because I'm just going to tell you what it is. Looks like these are they're just top cards. I don't know if there's something significant about them yet. Let me just glance. Jerry Seinfeld, Roger Mason, Jeff Montgomery, Dan Cox, Keith Miller. Let's see. Neely. Sorry, I know I'm not saying anything. Okay, so there's nothing special about these cards. They're not signed or anything like that. It's just a group of top cards from 94. I don't see anything crazy in here. This is just like a sticker from Filier. I don't even know. Doesn't even match this. I guess they just added some extras for just in case. This is it says 300 card basic set Fleer. I don't know. Obviously these are not the cards inside here. This is just to keep them protected in their eyes. I have no clue what's going on. These are Fleer, what year? 1993. Jack Armstrong, Chris Jones, Luis Gonzalez. Let's see. Absolutely nothing special about this at all. Square them up a little bit and put these back in here. Like I said, nothing wow about that. So they came in this, which to be honest, I won't be messing anything up. There's nothing too crazy in here, and what is good is already graded.
Not connected. Not connected.
I told her struggling with the connection. Okay, so this is just another box. Make sure there's nothing else in here. There's not. Just a folded envelope to keep these protected. So, Chance Adams, I think this is PSA. Oh no, yeah, yeah, it's a PSA. I was like, it looks like a PSA. PSA Chance Adams autographed card. Let's see. This is a fake autograph, but it's a gem mint. I don't know who gets these done. D. Gordon. I don't really know this. Oh, Rocky Marciano. He's cool. Supreme Cuts. Phil Mickelson. So this is obviously a golf. Sorry, I'm spacing here. And that's Phil Mickelson, and it's number 25 out of 50. It says, congratulations, you're a proud owner of this. Yeah, it's a fake autograph, limited edition. Cool. Who wants a fake autograph? Let's see. You've received a limited edition 1994 classic NFL Pro Line autographed card. And this is Bucky Brooks. And it's hand numbered, which is pretty awesome. So that tells you how it's an older one. Pretty cool. Sorry, I feel like it's not too horrible, in my opinion. So now we have a lot more. And these are, I don't know what was going on. I don't know why they sold the way they did, but they did. So, postcard, Pro Football Hall of Fame postcard. It is numbered at the bottom, number 119 out of 150. It's a William Roy Lyman. Really bad condition. The thing about this is I'm looking at these cards already. They're in poor condition. So, I mean, although some can be worth money, even if they're in poor condition. I'm just trying to grab some that are actually sleeved. These ones were not. corners are rough, but I'm going to see who they felt the need to. Oh, they're really in brutal condition. So we have Cardinals Rich Allen, first baseman. This card actually looks really good. So this looks like it's from '69, and it's in pretty good condition. I mean, it's a little on the tan side, but it's actually in decent condition for what it is. This one's a 1992. We're not going to butcher the name too much today. I mean, it's weird. There's some newer cards right next to some old ones. I mean, Eddie Plank value 6,500 1910 tobacco card. Because of a broken printing plate, the company decided to discontinue the card rather than replace the plate. Only about 50 to 75 cards exist today. That's him. I don't know why someone would keep that, but cool. It's like a mini football card. I mean, literally mini. I don't know what's going on here. Matt Olson. I guess this person was only Juan Gonzalez. I think the person was really only interested in good players, so they stashed away a lot of decent cards, like decent player cards, like Jim Rice, Soto, Troy Ackerman, butchering it, I'm sorry. And I mean, they squished some cards in here. Oh, that's really cool. Got a nice 3D action card here. Who is this? This is a Fred Line, 1980. This is 1986. I'm struggling. I think there's a bunch of them. Yeah, it looks like 86. We have Mike. Let's see. I'm trying to see who we have here. The only thing is these are tinted. They're really tinted because of, they're just old. From the 80s. So you're talking about 15 to 20 years ago around. Renjamin Scott. Bunch of craziness is what it is. NBA Rookie of the Year, 1985. And you know what's funny? Obviously it's a Michael Jordan card. It's actually sad that there's a lot of bent corners. So we'll put that to the side though, because everybody loves Jordan. Let's see. Angels, 2005, first year, Nick Touchstone. Oh, we got another autographed card. So I said, I don't even think this person really went through it or knew what they were doing. So there's more than one card in here for sure, because I can see the second. Oh, they're stuck. Okay, so we got Oakland Authentics, 24 out of 100. Rookie, Mike Roos. Autographs. Number 24 out of 100. That's good. Who else do we have? Adam Hakes autograph card. Maybe I did do the right thing. We'll see. Wes Rammer, 694 made, and this is also an autograph. Everybody knows who I'm probably looking for. Todd Walker, another autograph card. Anybody guess? I want to say it, but I'll wait till the very end of the video, I guess. We got Dustin Pedroia, not autographed, just what we have. Sorry guys, I'm trying to rotate a little bit. My legs falling asleep here. Sorry. Super excited, guys. Alright, I'm just going to tell you who I'm looking for. I'm looking for Mike Trout. Alright, who else do we have here? Craig Biggio. Like I said. Alright, you got a Chris Dolman, so we're in football too. This is a numbered football card. Barry Sanders. Number 31,000 and some change, which I guess in their mind wasn't very many back then. Randall McDaniel. I seen Mike Trout for like a crazy amount of money the other day. Pee Wee Reese. Brooklyn Dodgers. It's 2003 Fleer. I'm trying to see what ones are plastic because they seem like the ones that are Cal Ripken Jr. We all know he's a good one. There we go. Let's see what else we have here. Oh, it's not like the ones that we actually have done. Alright, here's another. Let's see. Topps Turkey Red. Vanilla Long. What's this one? Can you see the year? John Skelton. Authentic autograph. $12 taped on it. So somebody obviously was checking out their values of what these cards were worth at one point. We got some basketball we're getting into now. Let's see if you can see it. We got Reggie White card. It's been mangled. Mike Trout. Let's check it out. Oh, wow, it's in perfect condition. Got a nice Mike Trout. This is 2018. Let's see, who else do we have? Like I said, there's no method to this madness at all. It's like somebody was just like, these are good cards, we're going to stick them in here. Let's see. Mookie. No, he's a good player too. David Robinson. Wrote in 1911. I don't know. That's cool. Corey Seager. I'll show you them as I'm going through them. See if you could see them. Buster Posey. It's a good one. Doug somebody. Let's see. Gypsy Queen. Her Lone Hill. It's a really off-centered card. It's upside down too, but it's a really off-centered card. Rub edge of coin over this space for magic answers. It's old. Bill Wade. Another old card. I'll check them out. Dave Middleton. Joe Montana. In 1991 Joe Montana card. That's pretty cool. Put that one to the side too. Doug Williams. Steve Young. 3,000 Yard Club. 1995. I don't know anything about Doug Williams, but his card is beat up. Let's see. This is in decent condition. Who's this? Derek Thomas. Willie Davis. 1970. Let's see. It's obviously a remake. Dwayne Huskin, quarterback, rookie card. So the corners are looking pretty crap.